Looks like a model, like when you build models, right?
Get your punch out.
Oh, wow. It's like being in the Peterson Museum, is it not?
It's like a little movie set.
Wow. It does. It's like a little studio set.
It's like an old timey house.
Looks like something out of Murdoch Mysteries.
Yeah. I feel like we should. Look at even this creaky floors and everything.
Just like Grandma's house. Looks like
French fry?
Summit Street. Is this sweet?
It does.
This is Tracy's childhood.
Does look like Summit Street.
Huh? This is to remind you of your childhood, doesn't it?
Totally.
Your eyes lit up like you were home once again. Huh?
Yep. Smells like Summit Street. They did a good job of making it look shitty.
It's pretty shabby, you know that.
What?
Nick lives just up the road in a mansion now.
It's still got.
Funny,
There's chili in the.
house just up the road.
Why is it talking?
It was a horrible.
And I had never saw anybody
This is interesting. These little, like questionnaires that the Stones filled out, like previous occupation of Keith Richards was an art student. Hobbies: music, makes something guns. Most of the other band likes are girls and music.
Oh, really?
Brian Jones likes sleeping, getting out of London, dislikes getting up in public transport. Bill Wyman dislikes traveling. That's not good for traveling. Let's see, Keith Richards, Harmony Meteor H70, Sunburst electric guitar, and a Harmony 12-string jumbo natural acoustic guitar.
That belonged to.
Keith Richards.
Wow.
It's a whole Rolling Stones section. Bunch of biters, eh?
I figure they like to bite things.
Oh, Jesus.
That's a lot of hair. They wear hair bands in the day, would they?
Yeah. I'm guessing the guy's a Stones fan. I keep hearing voices, but I don't know what.
There's Martin. There's your buddy Martin.
Yeah.
Drama music. And I the idea is to capture the beauty, the camaraderie, the joy of making music.
Yeah. Do you remember what car he said it was?
Did he say Corvette?
Yeah. Recognize any parts? Obviously rims. We got doors, and transmission, and engine parts, fenders. Oh yeah, anybody who builds models will know exactly what those are. Even those who don't.